Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NTEC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But very nice bounce on this one today. When you stop and think about the fact that the day began down around here and ultimately closed up there. Now, granted, the price did pull back from its highs, but still, relatively speaking, from where it was to where it closed, nice move, and that does bring about the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves on a single area, and that area is down here at 38.5 cents. Why is 38.5 important? Well, I'm not saying this was going to, play out, but for explanation's sake, let's say the price comes down here, behaves like that, and then begins to work its way downwards. At that point, what would you have? Well, you would quite literally have the price right back to where it started. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is not going to go back to where it was, right? It's going to, show some sort of progress, which brings about the next scenario. Because we know price can go straight up, so maybe it comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 38.5 cents. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here. It's all about that pink line right there, the 200 period moving average. You can see that's right where the price got rejected from today. And even if you have a basic surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is down below it, it does tend to act as resistance. So keep an eye on that going forward. Current value at 42 cents. But all in all, nice bounce today. Let's see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.